Hold up! Before you start working on the vehicle, it's essential to check what you are allowed and not allowed to do. This is done using the NEN 9140. For example, an inexperienced person may work on an electric vehicle, or EV, but they should not touch the high-voltage system, even if it is not energized. According to the NEN 9140, 3 types of individuals are allowed to work on an EV: a sufficiently instructed person, abbreviated as SIP, a competent skilled person, CP, and a work supervisor, WS. A SIP is a technician who can safely perform maintenance and repairs on electric vehicles. The technician should never work on a vehicle while it is energized. A CP is a technician who, in addition to maintenance and repairs, is also authorized to diagnose issues. The CP determines whether there is voltage in a high-voltage system. The CP signals the SIP when it is safe for the technician to work on it. A work supervisor is, as you may suspect, responsible for the safe work on an electric vehicle. You can only become a work supervisor if you are already a CP. The work supervisor has completed an electrical education of at least level 4. He or she has extensive knowledge of electrical engineering and can assess potential electrical hazards. Oh! That doesn't look good. In the event of breakdown or damage with an electric vehicle, a SIP, CP, or WS has different authorities. In certain situations, inexperienced individuals may create a safe work environment, turn the electric vehicle on and off, and inform the tow truck operator about the situation and the type of vehicle. The SIP has more authority. They are allowed to safely park the vehicle. In addition, the CP is authorized to perform actions involving voltage on the vehicle. A firefighter is only authorized to extinguish an electric vehicle in the event of a fire.